opportunity to speak on this topic, gratitude. Unfortunately, frankly, I did not even know the meaning of gratitude. So I asked my dad, what's the meaning of gratitude? He told me gratitude means being kind, being thankful, being grateful, and respecting everyone and everything around us. But I was still out of ideas. Then I remembered my teacher's advice. Look around to find your answers. I woke up the next day. I saw a beautiful morning. I showed my gratitude by God by thanking Him for this beautiful day. Then I see my pets jumping on me with excitement. They will not stop until when I give them a hug. This is showing our relationship to each other gratitude. Then I stepped out of my door and I see my beautiful trees and plants. I thank them for the oxygen they provide us. I show my gratitude by watering them. As the day goes by, my online class starts. I see my teacher is not keeping well, but she still greets us with a beautiful smile. Through this platform, on behalf of the students, I would like to thank my teacher for always being with us. Do they have their own problems to deal with? After the class, my friends come down to play. I realize our friendship, really, gratitude doesn't matter. It's just pure friendship. But I still something was missing. So I looked around again and I saw I've forgotten the most important persons in my life. My parents, who was right in front of me the whole time. And it's the best way to show our gratitude is by thanking them for everything they've done for us. And taking care of them when we get the opportunity. Hope I be a giver of gratitude to everyone around me and to this beautiful world. Thank you.
How many of you thank yourself? How many of you